You're not going to take it out right now? I thought we were going to take it out. Oh, are we going to open it? Woo! You ready to see what's inside? Where you going? I don't know if he's going to help me or not. You going to help? He's not sure yet. So let's see what's new from Dub Dub. So this box features some of the new items that are available on the WW website. Some things I have actually been eyeing and wanting to try. So I'm excited to see what's inside. First things first are these Dub Dub wine glasses. The portion control line, so you know exactly how much to pour in your glass. I'm so excited about this. Yes, you can have wine while you're on Weight Watchers. Don't get it twisted. Next up is a food scale, and this is updated with the myWW plan. So regardless of which plan you're on, green, blue, or purple, when you weigh your food items, it automatically tells you how many points everything is. So I'm excited about that. Now these are one of my favorites already. The nacho tortilla chips. These are bomb. These definitely will, get you right if you love Doritos like I do, or just tortilla chips. These will get you right, and each bag is only 2 points. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it actually will satisfy your craving. So I love these. A couple of the other new snack bars, the peanut butter snack bar. I have not tried these yet, so can't wait to try these. And these are also 2 points. I love to keep these in my desk at work for those days when I get a craving, or sometimes late at night. Instead of eating something else, I grab one. These is only 2 points on all plans. I'm so glad they got these, the dark chocolate fig truffles. I've heard a lot of people talking about how good these are. They're only 1 smart point a piece, so I'm really excited to try these. Excited about this. My child, he's trying to help me, but he's not doing a good job. The best of Dub Dub recipe book. I love these because it helps you kind of think outside of the box, because I will tend to eat the same things over and over, which gets boring for me and for my family. So I like to incorporate some of the WW recipes that everybody in the house can eat. So I'm excited to flip through this and get some ideas. Already see one I like. Last but not least, this hydration bottle, 40 ounces. This is perfect. I actually been eyeing this on the Dub Dub website, but didn't get it. I do have a 20 ounce WW bottle that I've been using, but I feel like if I had this, I would drink a lot more water, because I could set a goal to try to drink 2 of these every day, or 2 of these while I'm at work. So this is perfect. And I hear that it keeps your stuff cold for 24 hours. That's crazy. So